Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can reset GREE air conditioner remote control. Okay, this function is only reset your remote control. It doesn't mean you reset your air conditioner. Okay, as you can see on the remote control screen now, there are many things appear on the screen. It's set to cool mode with 24 degrees Celsius, and the timer on, timer off already set up, and there's no reset button on the remote control, and we can reset it manually by just take out your battery from remote control. Take it out, and you can see now it's blank screen, and try to press a few buttons to make sure that the battery already released from the remote control, and wait about 1 minute. After 1 minute you need to input the battery back to the remote control, and then your remote control will reset by itself. Okay, now let's input back the remote control battery. This time you can see the set temperature is different, and when we turn on the air conditioner you can see the time zone now become 12:00, and the timer on, timer off already disappear, and the mode function become to auto, and you can just try to change it to cool mode or anything that you want to set to your air conditioner. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can reset GREE air conditioner remote control. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.